Okay, I'm going to install NetBeans. So the installer is getting set up. And okay, so here's welcome to the installer. And I downloaded the NetBeans with just for the C and C++ compilers. Okay, so we click on Next, we accept the license agreement. Again, we click on Next, and it's asking which directory to install NetBeans in, and I'm going to just leave it on the default that it chose. Click on Next. So I'm going to unclick check for updates because there are newer versions and we don't need to worry about that for this semester. So let's uncheck that, and then we click on install. And so it needs the Java runtime environment, so it's installing that, and then the rest of NetBeans. So this is going to take a minute or so. Or maybe 2 minutes or so. Sorry, I know this is a little boring, but I don't want to stop this video, so perhaps when you watch it, you can fast forward through this part. Okay, and the installation has completed. So it's up to you if you'd like to provide usage data to help the NetBeans project. It's anonymous data, so that's up to you. And then we click on Finish. Sorry about that. Okay, and now we are going to find NetBeans and start running NetBeans. So in fact, let me close this. And here is the NetBeans IDE up and running. This is the start page. Not going to go through a whole tutorial right here now, but similarly as to what we find in Eclipse, we can start by creating a project and moving on from there. So we'll address that later. All right, thanks.